Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need?
Hello, how you doing? So here it is, my corned turkey necks. See, I chop them, I clean it up, chop them a little bit smaller. So if you're interested in seeing and knowing how I corn my meat, I'll leave a link in the description to show you a video of me corning and cow foot or oxtail. So this is turkey neck. I'll be using this turkey neck to make some turkey neck and beans, or stew peas as we Caribbean call it, or Jamaicans. I am a Jamaican, so I have never seen anyone corn turkey necks before. I'm assuming that I'm the first one that's tried it. So let's get started. And this is the red kidney bean I'll be using. Guys, I have a Facebook group. If you'd like to join that group, post your YouTube video clips or your video links or videos in that group. So you're all welcome to join my Facebook group. The link will be in the description. Stove to boil to remove most of the salt.
Just give me what I want. Just give me what
Sinking my peas. My turkey neck has been scalding for a while, probably about 10 minutes. And I'll drop in half of an onion, 4 pegs of garlic, a couple of pimento seeds, and now I'll leave this to slow cook, maybe an hour and a half. And we'll be back. Coming along. Almost ready. This has been cooking for about an hour and a half now. Look at this. Yep, my piece is smashing out. Piece of mash up. So here's my green onions, all in. Scotch bonnet pepper in. Might tip a little bit more water. Have some thyme. Is on my side. Yes, it is. Black pepper. Sprinkle that bad boy in. I'll tip a little water. Just a little. Let it simmer some more. Add in a little bell peppers. You don't have to put bell pepper in yours. And yes, guys, I cut up my bell peppers because and put them in the freezer. I don't want them to go bad. Why do these stuff easily go bad after a while if they're sitting in the fridge? So I cut it up put it in the freezer.
Just give me what I want, baby.
Add some parsley. Turkey
Can you
necks,
give me
you
what I
guys.
need?
Welcome to Netty's Amazing House. So guys, remember, check the link and you'll see how I con my turkey neck. I con all my meat the same. So from my amazing house to yours, one love. Netty's Amazing